This all good.
Come on now, man. You gotta refresh my memory.
Cliff.
Hell yeah. You don't know how to handle this thing, man. You need to get him or get me. If you fuck around and get me to drive this motherfucker, I'll make your ass up a 20 penny nail. Cause I run this motherfucker, folks. You think I'm playing? You know I used to race cars and shit, man, on track and shit. Yeah, but Big Tim and them, all them, I used to drive Tim shit. I'm bad. I got some good goddamn nerves. I'm 51 now, but they a little weak. But when it comes down to gas, when I smell it, boy, sometimes and hear some shit like that, that shit make me get crazy.
What the fuck?
I knock the dust out this song, baby. I see you getting in it and getting out. You don't supposed to never get up when that son bitch shit. You pull that son bitch down, goddamn. When you leave there, don't look at your opponent no way. Goddamn, you bump her up like this. Don't never get off the gas. Cause when you get off the gas, you lose power. Acceleration of something, long gas going through. If you get up off the gas, you fucked up. Shift that something, shake up.
What
the fuck? You might do that a little bit on. All you gotta do, go to another, get you straighten up.
No, it ain't gonna work for you.
It'll do something for you now.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm for real.
I'm for real.
I promise. I'll make your asshole suck a 20 penny nail.
See, they be,
grip the seat and then when you get through, you might be right behind.
They be on the live thing right now.
But do that, man. Look, and then I'm gonna tell you one thing else. If like you that track that want to go to Holiday Beach or something, let me go with you. Me and my man, old man there, we go up there with you. And when you get in that water, you're always asking for a pro treat at the light. You got the time them lights, but see, get in that water, step out it, hold your brake, come straight out it, cause you can overheat them tires now. It'll lose traction. But when you just do a little bit, I go up there telling I said, I want a pro treat. I'm two orange, blue, yellow ball, come on. That one right there side, there come on. Dude standing in the center where the bug there, he said. I just look, I don't look at no motherfucker. I do like that. I hit that stutter buckle on that brake car. Them like do this. Pop! Come on.
All right, YouTube, let me give y'all a quick update of what's happening. Basically, I was making a video of the Scatpack. Like, it was just me and the Scatpack. We were just riding around the city, just, you know, just making videos. And we made a video by this man, by his house. And he heard the car. And he basically just came outside and pulled out the Hellcat. And so that's why, like, then we came back to my house. I was finna get out. I was finna end the vlog. But that's when he chased him down in that. He was in a white truck, but he the guy that got the Hellcat. He chased him down and asked him, do you want to race? He was like, That's him in that white truck asking, do you think it's strong enough? Whole time we didn't even know this guy got a Hellcat. We thought he was trying to race inside that truck.
I think you keep bumping it. You think it's stout?
What, you talking about in the truck?
Yeah.
That truck right there?
No, it's at the house. I'm gonna warm it. I gotta go put some heat in it. When you turn around up there, that white house, I'm right there.
I'll follow you.
But what the fuck? That nigga trying to race for real, fool. Oh shit.
He probably got that shit.
Oh God, he probably got a real ass race car. How the fuck he even get up here so damn
That's it.
fast?
I know that ain't the golf cart. If that's what he talking about using. That him?
Yeah, that him.
Man, just playing.
Come on in. I'm gonna get a key. It's in the garage.
Alright.
This nigga for real, fool. He probably got something finna get on your ass.
He said, come on in. I got a key. I'm finna go get it in the garage.
Fool. Ooh, they be like an old ass Mustang.
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude, that shit like a real ass fast ass Mustang, bro. That be white too. I see that bit. Ooh, that bit gonna get on your ass, fool. That bit gonna get on your ass, fool. That bit gonna get on his ass.
75.
Caprice.
Ooh. Hey, you try Pee? Where's Pee Wee yet? Ooh, that bit sound good. Hey, we better have a good race, goddamn. Scatpack versus SS. Ooh, he got that motherfucker in that bitch.
Back up a little bit. I'll pull it out.
Dude, I ain't gonna cat cake it. It be might be on your ass for it. Oh God. KJ, what y'all like, man? Oh my God.
I'm gonna get mine when I get a little heat in the motor.
I'm finna cut the GoPro off. I gotta record this shit, the GoPro. Bet. Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, we were just riding through Akron doing a little POV with the scat. We came, I never all did a little flyby, and this dude right here challenged him to the race. We thought he was just cap. He really got something. He really got something to go do something. We got a goddamn Scatpack versus what is Camaro? Old school Camaro?
Chevrolet SF.
Chevrolet SF. See, I don't know about old.
Camaro, it's Chevelle.
Yeah. Chevelle. Give him hell in Chevelle. They could be a hole on the vlog, on God. I'm gonna put those shit separate. Oh God, you got a Capri right here. Bruh, you can tell he know he doing too, bruh. He got all the racing shit around here. That's a Hellcat, fool.
Bruh.
That's that Hellcat Durango. Ooh, shit. I know him, bro. Dude, That's him. I remember you now. I remember you now. I remember you now. Yeah, you had with the I had funeral and I had talked to you about that Durango. Dude, KT. Oh, he gonna get on your ass in that bitch. I can't lie.
What's up, man? Man, that boy terrorizing my community. Man, niggas can't do no work. He said he got horsepower. I said, alright.
He got me in that car collection. Got the Hellcat Durango. That bitch spin off square in reverse. You know that bitch running fucked up. Ooh, that's a bad motherfucker. Oh God. What's it? I know he fit do you I know he fit racing in the Hellcat Durango. You know your way.
I see y'all out there filming this shit. He mad y'all.
We got the Hellcat Durango right here. This so sweet, man. Big SRT Durango. This bitch sounds so damn good. So you really ready to Durango in your skate? So you ready to Durango in your skate? Ain't no way. I bet that old school good on your ass. Ooh! I got the GoPro in the back too, so we got the video in the back of the car too. Dude, he finna on your ass food in the Hellcat. Oh God, he is. Dude, that be all-wheel drive. Dude, he finna on your ass food. Oh God, I can't lie. Let me go ahead and set the camera up. Oh my God. We got the Hellcat Durango versus the Scat. Oh my God. Then my GoPro, they be on 5. I hope.
Where you feel bad as it? On your road, nigga.
Oh God, walking your truck and take over your motherfucking truck. Alright, y'all, we got the Scat versus the Hellcat Durango. That's the Hellcat Durango behind us, man. Oh my God, what the fuck you got yourself into? Dude,
I'm not standing that shit at all.
Nigga is finna get on your ass in this bitch.
I'm finna burn a goddamn hole in this nigga shit.
Nigga, listen to that bitch, fool. Hey, oh my God, this is me a good ass race.
Hold on.
all-wheel drive. The Hellcat don't play, fool. Oh, God. Fool. I told you that nigga gonna get on your ass, nigga. Oh, God. That nigga the whole supercharger and that be all-wheel drive. What the fuck?
I peeled on his ass out the hole though, so I ain't tripping.
Oh, God.
Dude.
That big. Oh, God. I told you that motherfucker ready. What the fuck, dude?
I should never did that shit. I don't know.
Tell me better soft. But you is in a scat fool like that. He coming to golf course, he talking shit to your ass. That motherfucker ready.
What you say?
That motherfucker ready. Hey, which one you think faster, yo? That Chevelle or that?
Oh, that's fast. I ain't turned it up yet.
Damn.
I didn't put it in track mode then. I just drove.
Yeah, I can tell.
Right. I ain't put it in. I let you have what you got ready.
That mother right.
That bit running.
All right, I'll see y'all there.
Alright. He said, I ain't even turned that mother up yet.
Oh, God.
Bitch, I know that bitch gonna be dead. Wonder why the fuck he don't come to the track.
Oh, God. Feel like he got a
Dude,
mean
that's
ass
in
setup.
regular mode. What the fuck he gonna do in track?
Oh, God.
And it crazy.
It took that supercharger,
You
bro.
won't even think, but
Damn! That bitch sounds so goddamn good. That motherfucker ready.